Hello everyone. Today we are going to start one of an very important topic in Selenium that is called as handling multiple windows. First of all, we need to understand what is mean by handling multiple windows in this context. So suppose we have this web page that is an Google account page. So here we are seeing three links. One is help, second link is privacy, and third link is terms. Now I'm going to click on first link that is help. So here, as soon as I click on the help link, you can see that one new page has been opened. Now I am going to click on the second link that is privacy. The second page has been opened. And then again, third link, the third page will be opened. So now you can see that this is the first page which was opened by me. And then as I click on these three links, further three pages have been opened. Now I want to do automation testing on this parent page also. And I want to do automation testing on these child pages also. These help page, privacy page, and terms page. So today topic, we will be understanding how to automate these kind of functionalities where we have parent page as well as the different child pages. So let's come back to slides again. Most of the web applications have multiple windows and multiple frames. Multiple windows, as I have just shown you. So that was the example of multiple windows. Multiple frames means we have different kind of web pages where we have different kind of frames. And for example, we have different kind of ad banners, we have display banners, advertisements. So they are called as different kind of frames. And suppose we want to do automation testing on those kind of things, then also we can use this same concept. By default, Selenium will have control to currently loaded window. So here in the, again, we go to previous example. So here this window is called as the parent window. And these three windows, which are the further opened by clicking on the links, they are called as child window. As soon as we create object for WebDriver, Selenium will assign one alphanumeric ID to each and every window, which is opened by Selenium. And these IDs are uniquely defined. Now, this is the very important point over here. It means that suppose we are opening one page in browser. So there is a unique ID is given to every page. So this is the ID of the parent page, and this is the ID of our privacy page, and sorry, terms page. And then this is the and there will be one ID, unique ID for this privacy page. And then there will be one unique ID for the help page. So all the IDs of every page which is opened in the net, they are all the unique IDs. And these unique IDs are always in alphanumeric form. It means they are the mixture of alphabets and numeric form. To switch among different windows with the help of these IDs, Selenium make a control. So suppose we want to uh, do some testing on child window, then we can go with the help of these IDs. And suppose we want to do some testing on the parent window, and then we can refer to the parent ID. Now, this is the concept of multiple windows. Now I will be explaining you the same thing with the help of one example, and we are going to automate that Gmail page with the help of Selenium practical. And secondly, we also should know what are the different methods which we use for doing these kind of automations. So the first method which we can use is get window handle. And the second method which we use is get window handles. So do not get confused now. So I will show you with the help of the direct application or direct app, the practical itself. Now let's suppose we want to open these child windows with the help of Selenium. And now, once we open these child windows, we want the IDs of all these windows, right? So we want IDs of parent page, and we want ID of health, privacy, and terms page. So this is our requirement. Now we'll create an automation script for this. So first of all, we will be giving the name of our program. So suppose we are giving the name as wins, and then we will be doing it at main class. So we will be maximizing the screen because most of the time if we are working on the Chrome browser, the screen is not maximized. So we will be maximizing the screen. And we will be deleting all the cookies if there is any cookie with that page. Now then we are going to open this application. So we will be giving this web address or URL. We'll copy this URL. And now by this statement, we can open the website. Now, once the website is open, then we have to open the child windows. So we have three links over here: help, privacy, and terms. And for that, we can directly use the link text dr.find_element by link text. So the first one was help.click. Second one was privacy. And the third and the final link was terms. Now we have already opened all the windows. So this is the first window, that is the parent window which is opened, and then the three child windows which gets opened. Now what we want is, we want to know the IDs of all these windows. So we have very good method here. So I was telling you, we have very two important methods by which we can know the IDs of the parent window and the child window. So suppose I want to know the ID of the parent window. So ID, as I already told you, that this is in alphanumeric form. So we have to take one string element. So suppose I take string element parent for knowing the parent ID. So dr dot. So here we have one of the method, that is get window handles and get window handle. So these are the two important methods which we use in these kind of functionalities where we deal with parent window and child window. So get window handle is a method which is used to know the ID of a uh, parent window, and get window handles is the method to know the IDs of the corresponding child windows. So this is the difference between these two methods, get window handle and get window handles. Now I want to know the ID of parent. So I will be using get window handle. So here, and now I want to display the ID of parent. So we will use our function system out, voila. And then here I will be writing as parent. Okay, now what we want is by this statement, we can display the ID of the parent. Now I want to display the IDs of all the child windows also. So for that, we have to use the second function that is called as get window handles. And also we need to use one interface that is called as set interface. Set is a Java interface which can return the collection. So it can return the collection of all the windows, child windows which we have used. So here what we can use is set, and what is the type? So it is string type. So we will write here as string, and collections equals to, and here we again will be finding the dr dot get window handles. Now if I display this calls variable, it will display all the IDs including parent ID also. Okay, so child IDs plus parent IDs. So we have already displayed parent ID over here. And here it will be again displaying the parent ID because this collection variable will having the IDs of child windows as well as the parent window. So let's try this. Now let's run this program. One minute. So here you can see that three windows get opened. First one window is the Google account, and second is health, third is privacy and terms. Now let's check whether all the IDs are displayed or not. So here you can see that this is the first ID, which is the parent ID, CD window B64 and 37. Now I already told you that this ID will be printing two times. Why? Because uh, we are um, we are displaying the ID here also, and in collection also there will be the parent ID and child ID. So two times the ID will be displayed, and then the child IDs. So here you can see we have opened three child windows, and therefore the three child IDs are displayed. Right? So here also you can see that this is the child window, window, and this is the child window. So total in this collection, how many IDs will be there? There will be total 4 IDs, and parent ID is this one. So I hope this basic example of how to display the parent IDs and the child IDs, as you are able to understand. Now, in the next program, I will be telling you more complex functionalities based on the parent window and child window. Thank you.